In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your primary payout method on TikTok. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your profile page on TikTok. Tap on the three bars located in the top right corner, then click on Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy section, under Account, select Balance. Here, you'll see an overview of your balances. Click on Others and then select Income Plus. You'll be prompted to enter a verification code. Once entered, proceed to the next page. On the Income Plus page, locate and click on Withdrawal Method. A list of your current payment methods will appear. If you want to add a new one, click on Add Payment Method. If needed, delete an existing payment method. For example, to add a new PayPal account, delete the current one by tapping on it and then delete. Select the type of payment method you want to add and fill in the required information. At the bottom, choose whether you want this payment method to be your primary account. Toggle the switch accordingly. Once all information is entered, click on Submit. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your payment method on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable TikTok tips and tutorials.